What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Trey, back with another banger, nigga. Yeah, so basically this video right here is just an update of last video. Last video I was teaching you guys how to get freeform dreads, and now I'm just trying to show you all the the progress I've been making. How it's been almost a year since I put them in. I put them in last December. We got a lot of stuff to go over. I know y'all been wondering, like, where you been? It's been 5 months since your last upload. Upload did pretty good too, but I know that's not what y'all clicked on this video for right now. So I'm gonna show you how my journey's been. So basically, guys, that was like my little hair journey and like how my hair has been. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time to go through the do's and don'ts, and maybe some of the comments, because the comments been crazy. So do's and don'ts. Number 1, do not get your hair wet when you are first starting your freeform dreads. Your hair has to lock. Your hair isn't locked yet, so you going there getting it like wet, it's going to unlock your hair. Your hair is not going to be able to form. And no, I'm not saying don't ever wash your hair again. I'm saying just for the beginning of you like starting your hair, do not wash it for at least a couple months. After a couple months up, you can wash your hair. Do number 2, you have to stay consistent. If you want your hair to be like real wavy and freeform dreaded like you see everybody else's, you have to stay consistent. When you watch YouTube videos and you see YouTubers put up the sponge, because you really have to be sponging your hair, especially when you first start, bro. If you're not sponging your hair, you're not gonna have freeform dreads. You have to do it, or unless you want your stuff to look, like not good for real. You gotta stay consistent and really start sponging your hair like every day. Like just when you bored anything, just get the twist in your hair. And last but not least, your shit is not gonna grow overnight. Stop thinking that you're finna just do something to your hair and then you're just about to have freeforms overnight. Now let's get into these comments, because this is where the real questions came in. Let me fix the camera. Nick Shit says 46 talking about his hair good. Hair falls out on the right side. I want it to be like that. It's a part of the hairstyle. The Kid Baba says big one or a little sponge. It really doesn't matter. Whatever you pick. C-Dot says, wait, do you sponge then put the gel in? Or what gel do you use? I put the gel in and then I sponge my hair. You get what I'm saying? A lot of these questions I'm not putting in the video, I answered in the past video already. Davon Kick said, if you have short hair, what do you sleep with? Personally, when I started doing this hairstyle, I didn't sleep with nothing. I'm gonna be honest. Like I just slept, like just like out there. But it is preferred that you use like a bonnet, maybe a silk bonnet. A bonnet's cool though. Any bonnet will be good, you know what I'm saying? Paul R says, how to get freeform locks. Do you do literally nothing? Then he comments again, he says, imagine someone saying to have an untouched 10,000 euro tropical. Paula, you're corny. That shit wasn't funny. You're corny as fuck. This one's from King Mo. He says, how long do you keep your gold clips in and how long do you twist one? When I first put my gold tips in, I put them in for like a week. I'm not gonna lie, I kept them in there for like a week, a good 2 weeks. I wasn't doing nothing. And then I was just twisting it, like, I twisted up my hair, used a little, that stuff I explained, it's just not for that long. I just twisted and made sure it was like ready. With that being a further ado, that would be for the end of this video, man. I'm gonna try to start being consistent on here, you know what I'm saying? Let's try to hit 1K subs, Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna try to start being active on this channel. Y'all subscribe. Let's get to a K.